Clean water is not just convenient, it's essential for your health. But many people don't realize that the water coming out of their taps can contain contaminants, bacteria, or chemicals that affect taste and safety. Ensuring your drinking water is safe doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, and with some practical steps, you can protect yourself and your family at home. Many households assume that tap water is completely safe because it meets municipal standards. However, standards vary, and even filtered water can carry impurities if the system isn't maintained. Common issues include sediment, chlorine taste, heavy metals like lead, or microbial contamination. Without proper attention, these problems can accumulate over time, affecting both your health and the quality of your beverages and meals. The first step is understanding the source of your water. Municipal water is treated but may still contain residual chemicals or minerals. Well water, on the other hand, can be prone to bacteria or natural contaminants like arsenic. Testing your water is a simple way to identify what exactly needs to be addressed. Water testing kits or professional services can detect pH levels, heavy metals, and microbial presence, giving a clear picture of what you need to filter or treat. Once you know your water's condition, choosing the right method of purification is key. Boiling water is effective for killing bacteria and viruses but doesn't remove chemical contaminants. Activated carbon filters can remove chlorine, sediment, and improve taste. Reverse osmosis systems provide more comprehensive filtration, removing minerals, heavy metals, and many dissolved solids. For well water, UV sterilization or chemical treatments may be necessary to eliminate pathogens. Combining methods can maximize safety and quality. Maintenance is just as important as setup. Filters need to be replaced regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Neglecting replacement can lead to bacterial growth and reduced effectiveness. For systems with multiple stages, understanding each component's function ensures you maintain proper water flow and optimal filtration. Keeping your water storage containers clean and covered prevents secondary contamination. Another practical approach is monitoring water usage and storage. Store clean water in food-grade containers, preferably in cool, dark areas. If water is stored for long periods, rotating it every few months prevents stagnation. For households with young children, elderly members, or individuals with compromised immunity, taking extra precautions such as additional filtration or boiling can add an extra layer of safety. Key insight: making water safer at home is not about a single expensive gadget or complicated setup. It's about understanding the risks, testing your water, choosing appropriate treatment methods, and maintaining your system consistently. Even simple measures, when done regularly, can significantly reduce exposure to contaminants and improve taste and quality. In conclusion, ensuring safe water at home is a manageable and practical process. Start with testing, select the filtration or treatment method that addresses your specific water concerns, and maintain it properly. Combining simple methods like activated carbon filtering with proper storage and occasional boiling can protect your household from common water issues. These steps don't require extreme measures, just consistency and attention to detail. If you want to take control of your water quality, subscribe to this channel for more practical guides on home water safety. Check the description for links to reliable water testing kits and detailed instructions on maintaining different filtration systems. By following these steps, you can confidently provide safer, cleaner water for your family every day.